guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ritika, and today we are at Seattle's most famous public market, the Pike Place. Okay, so today what we're planning to do is we're going to go to all the famous places and have one item from each of their menu and just do like a taste test and show you how it is. Let's go. This is a vegetarian biscuit and gravy, right? First stop for the day from Biscuit and Bitches. Biscuit Bitch. It's some biscuit gravy but vegetarian because
it's good.
it's like so creamy. I don't know what the gravy is, but it's amazing, no? It's like,
Non-vegetarian.
no, it's vegetarian, but it's amazing. Like creamy, melts in your mouth. You give your reviews.
Good.
You have to say more than good.
More than good.
This is what I have to deal with on a daily basis, guys. पक्का बताओ यार, ये वेज है ना?
इसको बोले ना गरीना ने.
बोला तो था यार वेज का. So the next stop on the list is a coffee shop because we want coffee and the line is so huge.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, mic testing. Hi guys. I don't know what to say.
Who are you?
I'm Akash.
What are we doing today?
I'm Bolar.
What are you
And
doing today?
we're here on a food hunt to try all things at Pike Place
Find the best of Pike Place.
and find what's the best. Later. Too tired now. Okay, taste test.
Cheers.
Too sweet, too best coffee you've ever had.
Sweet.
Sweetness wise perfect.
Sweetness wise perfect. Cheers. What is this called?
La Panière.
It's some tart with some cream. Go for it.
Fresh.
Lime. Oh, I need to go together.
How do you like it?
Pretty good. Love the cream. Strawberry not so much.
Yeah.
But there's another layer there.
That's better now.
Let's see how that is. Feels like a food blogger, dude. Yeah, the middle layer is very good.
Oh, so good.
It has a lemon like filling.
So it begins.
Literally the second plate, and here's all these spoiled.
What do you guys eat there?
We ate some biscuit and gravy.
Biscuit and gravy. What's a vegetarian?
पक्का बताओ यार, ये वेज है ना? Oh, this is the plate?
Wow. Very good.
How much would you rate? How much would you rate it out of 10?
I would rate it a good 8.5.
7.5.
What are we thinking? Which cider?
Go with the safe option.
Apple cider. I think.
Apple or
Lavender.
peach.
I think I'm good with peach too.
No, there's peach apples, so we'll take that.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Try. You like it?
Little bland dish.
Tastes like Appy Fizz.
Pretty good.
They will let you go.
So we are on the street, and the street does not have like vehicles allowed. So it's just people, and
Going maybe.
it's such a beautiful day that everyone's outside. It just feels like all of Seattle area is out, and why not? There's this DT chai. Okay, it's 3 p.m. We have only covered how many? Three places.
And we roamed around. So that's
Yeah,
good.
so that's good. But we want to try more food. So, like there is the mac and cheese place
Oh,
that
yeah,
we want to
forgot
try.
There is
Lowell's.
Lowell's.
Lowell's. What do they have?
They have some eggs.
Okay. Not the best place for vegetarians, but if you have
But they
eggs,
can meet us at the next one.
yeah. But like for non-vegetarians, it can be heaven.
Here.
We're now waiting to go inside this place called Beecher's Handmade Cheese, which has an amazing mac and cheese, apparently. So I'm excited. Let's see. An 8-ounce mac and cheese. Well, no, that's it. Thank you.
This is bad.
Oh,
How do you like it?
outburst of cheese.
Yeah. What would you rate it?
5 out of 10.
6, 7, 6.
Cheese. I can only taste cheese.
Yeah. Very true.
I would rate it. Wasn't the best place. It's very cheesy. If you're a cheese person,
Yeah.
maybe it can be a good one for you. But all three of us are not, apparently. So we didn't like it that much. Like it was whatever. Not the world's best,
Yeah.
as they say.
Oh no. Amazing. Look at this man.
It's okay.
It's like we make it in house. It tastes like a lemon bar, which is really good. The
Okay.
pesto tomato parmesan is really popular.
Okay.
And then the Seattle egg one is probably the most popular one with an egg on it.
Okay, and what about the sweet ones?
The maple butter is really good, and the Vermont is probably one of the most popular.
Okay, and the walrus looks
Also really good.
Also
Honestly, they're all good.
Okay.
I think they're all good. Not
uh
most of them.
okay. Do you
I'm okay with whatever.
Okay.
I've not tried anything. So I
Vermont,
don't know.
maple butter and walnuts on cream cheese.
okay? Let's do Vermont. I think we're thinking of the Vermont.
Sure, yeah, that's I've already had one.
Yeah, looks good. Okay, nice. We're going to have something called as the crumpet, which all three of us don't know what it is. So excited.
Okay, I'm going to eat now. I'll continue. Okay, tell. Tell, no, tell first. Tell. No, tell.
He's talking to his girlfriend, guys.
You want to see girlfriend is here. I mean, this is.
girlfriend Pocho? Pocho. That's the girlfriend, guys.
Bye.
Aren't able to cut it.
Okay, I'll wait for you guys.
No, have.
To do cheers.
Oh,
Not cutting only.
got mine. Take 2 spoons. Take this spoon also.
I tried.
Is it that hard?
Average.
Mint.
Very average.
My God, the base is so.
How is it?
Oh, I love it.
No, he's lying.
Not bad.
Yeah? I found it okay. It's like a 5 on 10
I
for
expected
me.
the cream to be sweet,
What is it?
but the
for you?
cream is sour cream or something.
It is sour cream. It's sour cream.
Oh, it says sour cream. So when I looked at it, I expected it to be sweet. Suddenly,
Yeah.
sour.
How much
But-
would you rate it?
As a dessert, 4, 5.
Yeah. Same, 5.
4.
You?
7.
7 is too high. Maybe 5. And half. 6.
Average is 5, guys.
6, 5 and a half.
Hey guys, I think we're calling it a day
We're done. Too full.
In
Yes.
terms of the food.
in terms of the food.
The night's still young.
How did you think the day was?
It was pretty good, I would say.
Yeah, 9 on 10.
Very different. I've not done this before.
Yeah.
So was excited to see what it is
Yeah.
like to eat so much. But I'm surprised we didn't eat so much.
Yeah.
Like-
I'm not so full.
We
Yeah, me
didn't
too.
enjoy anything like.
Yeah.
We didn't find anything out of this world, but we.
Crumpet shop was very average. Okay, maybe talk about it from.
But I like the act of going from like the act of food crawl.
Yeah, I
that-
love that experience. That was great. So overall, a good experience. You should also do it.
Already did it.
Please do call me if
Okay.
you come to Pike Place. Your travel guide
Yeah,
signing off.
Pike Place Travel Guide.
Okay, bye. See you next time.